Hello, hello. So yung content na nagawa ng Force is yung magpatakbo ngayon ng mga sure na ng mga kalidad na representatives. Pagdamat on demand kami, sinigurado namin na sa trainings namin, yung mga patatakbuhin namin, ayon sa principles ng Force, which is yung quality work, passionate leadership, at yung dedicated service. So masasabi namin na lahat ng pinapatakbo namin ngayon sa Force ay dedikado at handang magserbisyo para sa buong engineering students.
So aside sa pagpapatakbo natin ng student leader sa ESE, ang Prime ay meron tatlong values: progressive, responsive, and innovative. So mag-enumerate ako ng dalawang events na sa tingin ko ay nakaka-describe nito. Yung unang-una yung tamang timpla. They represented UP Prime and nagturo sila sa isang community ng mga nutrition, tamang nutrition. Tinuruan nila yung mga community natin sa Payatas kung paano dapat mabuhay sa ating community through teaching yung mga cooking and mga ganyang household skills. And also yung dulaang engineering, lagi naman ang topic natin ay about social relevance. So sa tingin ko, nagpo-promote ito ng awareness sa ating college na kung saan lagi nating ibinibigay at pinopromote natin kung ano yung dapat mangyari sa ating nation. Ayun.
UP Arise is a social civic leadership organization. What they embody is lives: leadership, integrity, vision, excellence, and service. And they have done this all year round, starting right from the get-go with a great freshie tour to really give service to the freshmen, to really help them learn about engineering life. This is followed by their leadership projects, including Envision, teaching lives how to apply it, as said, really training leaders to become leaders for their organizations, not just for engineering, but for the whole university. And of course, the other projects such as Masai, where they really reached out to high school to teach them lives and how they can apply this even in high school as well. So and of course, the training that they give us in Arise to become the next leaders of the ESE. So all these things are what UP Arise does.